Afternoon, all you fine, wonderful people out there. The glass shattered effect, the shattered effect, as I'm calling it. I keep trying to call it glass shattered, but I'm going to just call it shattered. This effect is randomly triggered. There are 12 different pieces of 12 different shards, and each shard has 3 different possibilities that it could possibly be. And so it creates this shattered effect from your graphics. So in this particular case, I have my logo, and what I've done is I've put the effect over the top of it. I've added in some really nice features with this. One of the things is where the center point can be. You can change the center point. You can move it to where you would like it. And it creates this random glass shattered effect that can also be triggered. So that is that. So I'm going to stop that for just one sec. I also have in a red shift and a blue shift so that you can colorize if you'd like to have a little bit of extra little panache. So that it gives it this kind of fractured look, almost like you broke your CRT screen. I thought that was a very interesting look and effect. I've also added in the gap of the glass pieces so that you can have like a little bit thinner, a little bit gap in between each piece of glass. I've also added in the edges can be larger or smaller. There are still some things that I'm trying to work on this as far as I can see in the bottom right hand corner there is a little bit of some fix-ups that I need to make up there. Random size as far as like where the random starts, you can also set that to randomize so that it automatically randomize the center point where it starts. I can increase that so that it jumps around a lot, or I can make it so that it jumps around just a little bit. So it's just a little bit from the center point is in the bottom left hand corner, for instance, in this case. So that's that. The other things that I've added into this is that there's an inner circle. You can expand the inner circle if you so choose to, and you also have the option to expand or contract the middle circle. I'm going to expand that out as well. I'm going to expand the main larger circle around the entire thing. I'm going to expand that out. And then I'm going to give this middle circle some more room to kind of play around so that it can be maneuvered a little bit better. So that's where I'm at right at this moment. Questions, comments, complaints, concerns? What do you guys think? I've also added in a color option so you can change the edges of the color of the piece here. So if you want it to be, different color, you could do that as well. So there's some nice little features with this. I think it's working. I think it's where I wanted it to kind of be. But that's where I'm at right at this moment. So the idea is that you're going to have there is a random trigger that you can basically randomize on beat. You can set to transport beat, for example, and you also have the option for metronome, which is very similar to what I've already done for other patches. But yeah, that's it. Questions, comments, complaints, concerns, give me a holler. Let me know what you guys think of this one. I'm pretty excited about this. I think it's going in the right direction. Is there anything that you would like to see in this? Give me a holler. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.